hold on that button until the Apple logo comes on.
Judith, what's up? Judith is on.
มาแล้วสวยมากสี นี่ the same size
ทำอะไรอยู่ตอนนี้
มาเปลี่ยนเครื่อง ตอนนี้มาโดน iPhone อะไรนะคะ XS Max นะคะกำลังจะเปลี่ยนจากอะไรนะ iPhone อะไรนะตัวเนี้ย
6
อันนี้ไม่ใช่6ป่ะ
6 plus
อันนี้6 plus หรอ
มีปัญหาเยอะมาก
อันนี้ S
trading เท่าไหร่
เทรดดินได้ 150 เหรียญ 150 เหรียญเหมือน nothing เลยเนอะเพราะว่าพอซื้อเครื่องใหม่ก็คือมีแท็กมีนู่นมีนี่โดนหักนู่นนี่นั่น แต่ว่าเครื่องเนี้ยปัญหามันเยอะมันพังก็เลยต้องเปลี่ยนนะคะ เดี๋ยวโทรไปติดนู่นนี่นั่นแบบทำทุกสิ่งทุกอย่างแล้วก็เลยมาโดนของใหม่ล่าสุด ตัวนี้ก็สวยมากสวยอะชอบสีถูกใจมาก
stainless steel
เขาบอกว่ากันน้ำด้วยนะคะ XS Max แล้วก็ที่สำคัญมีกล้อง 2 ตัว เราก็ไม่รู้เดี๋ยวเราจะไปลองเล่นดูนะคะ ของเก่ารุ่นนี้ก็คือ อันนี้ 6 เหรอ อันนี้ไม่ใช่ 7 เหรอเดวิด อันนี้ 6 ก็ 6 อ่ะแต่ไซส์เหมือนกันแต่ว่าปุ่มเปิดอะไรก็ไม่เหมือนนะคะอ่ะ So guys, I just got my new phone. It's iPhone XS Max iPhone 10. So I'm not really know how to use it, but here my husband he gonna show me that how it's work and different from another phone that I have. Okay, here we go. So okay guys, here's David. He got my phone and he gonna show me how to use the camera on the phone.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright. So to use camera, like you just swipe to the left to access camera without unlocking the phone right away. Right. So to the standard is a photo, right? So to zoom in, you see the track right now. You could track and like instead of like zoom in by using pitching two hands, you could do it with one hand now. So you zoom in and zoom out like that. Alright. And then you just take picture, just press that, or you could tap on this to go 2 times, 1 time, back to 1 time. Right? So again, zoom in, zoom out.
And the camera is very clear, right?
Yeah, so this come with iPhone 10 come with 2 camera now. One is the standard one is the portrait one. And pretty much for the portrait, you just swipe to the right. Portrait one now come with these feature, which is natural light, right? Studio light, make everything brighter. And then control light, make it everything like enclosed light. And then this one is make everything dark. Like outside of the circle, it make it dark. And then this one just black and white, right?
Okay.
So with this, it actually using the really blur the background when you take pictures. So let's say take a picture of the glasses. Let's see, move back a little bit. Yep, great, thank you.
Oh, the food coming is perfect time for the picture sample.
Okay. Yeah, so when you take picture of with the portrait, so see, make everything outside blurry, but focus right here, right? So with the portrait mode, when you take a picture with the portrait mode, let's see right here, portrait, you could do edit, okay? See, very cool feature for the iPhone 10s now. It comes with the f-stop, which is currently taken with 4.5 right here, f-stop right now. So you can actually bring it all the way down to 1.4, what it does is it blur the background even more. You see? Now you click done for editing. You see? Back in the back is like super blurry now. So like they usually what people do is they tend to take pictures first and they use the app to blur the background. It doesn't look natural, right? With this, it looks so much natural. It's like, see, like focus here, blur everywhere else. So that's really good feature. That's why the second camera come in. So this only available in your portrait mode, but if you take picture with the regular pictures and photo, it doesn't have that feature. Okay, only in portrait mode. See, doesn't have that
Okay.
f stop. Yeah.
So
Just like this.
Yep.
so tell me about like what is special, what is different from another phone, what
Alright.
else?
Another phone is people try. There's no button. Right, it used to have on with the old phone, right? There's like older iPhone 7. You have this button right here, but it does no longer have this on the 10. So in order to access anything, you like swipe up, you know, like, and then it will bring up this right here. See, now you could close the window right here, right? Back to that. So pretty much you just swipe up, right?
Swipe up.
Yeah. So let's say you're inside this app, you want to access, you just swipe up back to the home page. Instead of you know, home page, you press this to go back to home page, right? So right now, if you inside this app, you just swipe up to go back to home page. And if you want to close multiple app, you just swipe, but don't let go. You know, you hold on to the thing, and then you let go, and then you can close the app that way.
Okay.
So yeah, so pretty much the same thing. Swipe down to search, right? And if you lock the phone, right? And before you have this feature on the old phone, right? On the old phone, when you wanna access this, the control screen. Well, in iPhone 10, you swipe up, it doesn't work anymore. It's being used for Face ID and the keypad. So in order to access it, you swipe from the top down.
Oh.
Yeah. And okay.
Oh,
See?
it's on the top
It's
right
on the
now.
top right now. So it's not really on top, but you know, it's right here.
Okay.
Yeah, top right here. You swipe it down, boom. And then with this, you could access, you know, different thing. Your favorite, you have the favorite accessory now. Accessory now, you could add stuff in there. Control the light, yeah. And then the night mode. And then control your music here. And then, you know, you could control your light even more. You could set your night mode, night shift. You know, it make the screen darker, so you could see better at nighttime. You know, and then screen control. You know, you could tap on it to access it. You know, you could tap and hold. And same thing, camera. Now you could press and hold. You could go access straight to selfie, record video, snap on, scan QR, and take selfie photos. Yeah. But before you just tap on this, just go to camera, right? But if you want to go like selfie, oh, I want to do selfie, you know, boom. You don't have to worry about, you know, pressing this, right? Yeah. And then to take a lot of pictures, you just like hold on to it, and then take tons of pictures at the same time. You take like 4 pictures, right? Multiple pictures.
Nice.
Burst mode, yeah.
Thank
That's it.
you so much, David.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. So now I learn, you know, how to use about the camera for the iPhone 10
Yep.
Max. And hope you guys enjoy. If you like, please share and feel free to subscribe.
Hi guys.
Bye guys. Let's eat.